In this video, we're going to talk about how to create systems fast and then delegate them effectively. You might be thinking that you don't have any time to do this because you've got so many other things happening and all these things that you have to do running your business, but I'll show you a shortcut on how to do this. It's so important to have these systems because really it's going to multiply your time. And if there's a person in your office who's doing a task and it's in their head and you don't have a system written down, and they leave or they get sick, then you're going to be scrambling to do it yourself anyways, or spending valuable time training the next person. So a great system will allow you to essentially be able to pull someone off the street, show them the system, and then they'll be able to do it by just following the process. There's less training costs and less errors in your business. But most advisors are creating their processes and their systems the wrong way. So I'll share a way that I've learned and you can decide what's best for you. But first, welcome back. If I haven't met you yet, I'm Dave Zoller and I own Streamline Financial, a wealth management firm with about 250 million under management. And we started this channel for advisors and business owners so we can share what's working with us to get to this point. So hopefully it can help you too. If you're an advisor, subscribe because I haven't seen really any other channels like this one teaching educational content from actual practicing advisors on what's working and what's not working. So this method, this systems method, comes from Ari Meisel, and we're starting to implement it, and it's a way to create your systems and processes that'll be bulletproof from the start. This method also allows you to improve and then fix each step in the process if something changes or something breaks without having to spend a lot of time doing it. So here's the steps to make it happen. First off, just choose the task or the thing that you want to turn into a system or process. And really choose the thing that either you do frequently each week or someone on your team is doing frequently. And then let's just say that it's your scheduling process for existing clients or maybe new clients. You want this to be systemized and in a process so that if you didn't want to do it anymore or the person doing it takes off, you could find the next hire, show them the process, and then have them do it right 100% the first time. So here are the steps. Start with a video recording of you doing the task or the person who's in charge of this walking through the process, the steps that they take. Now, most people make the mistake of saying this recording is the system or the process, and they put it in a process manual with a link to the video for future people to watch. But that can be a mistake because 10 to 20% of the video is really just ums and uhs and pauses and waiting for the screen to load or for the computer to load. They're really long videos usually. It's hard to update a video process as well because when something does change or something breaks or doesn't work, you actually have to record the whole thing again. So step 2 is give the video to another person, not you. If you were the one to create and record the video, give it to a different person to watch it and type up each step of the process and create a written checklist. The checklist is better than video because you're going to find that there's going to be parts of the system where people will get stuck right in the beginning or something will change or break. And with a checklist, it's much easier to pinpoint where the break is and then fix it quickly. Step 3 is give it to a third person to follow the written checklist and see if there's any breaks or hangups in that checklist. Then you fix the breaks. Now you should have a system that's complete with the goal of being able to pull someone off the street and then give them the checklist and the process, and then they'll be able to complete it. When talking about systems and processes, sometimes the question of delegation comes up. This is going to make delegation easier, but I'm also going to share a way to delegate faster and more effectively in the following video on this channel. So subscribe so that you don't miss it. And if you're interested in how to create and communicate your value in the first meeting with the prospective client, check out the value formula link below, and then I'll see you in the next video. Take care.